friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Luke Meowluck, a fan-made smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. So first let's get started, and we're going to be drawing our face on quite a diagonal here. So we're going to start by drawing the nose from the top, and we're going to curve this line around and then down. On either side, we're going to bring this diagonal line in towards the center, connecting that at a point. Let's step out now and draw in the eyes. So coming down on the bottom, we're going to curve this line out towards the side. And then let's move further up, and we're just going to continue to arch that up towards the top corner. Now from here, to close off the top of the eye, we're going to arch this line all the way around and then in. And then to the right of this, we're going to arch this line all the way up and then back down. In the center, we're going to draw in an oval. And then moving up on the left-hand side, we will replicate that. Let's draw in the mouth now. So coming down, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. And then we're going to come up towards the top, arching that line over and across. Closing off the top of the mouth now, from the nose, we're going to arch this line around and then in. And then moving up on the left-hand side, we'll replicate that again. Let's close the mouth off on the bottom now by drawing a nice big arch line, curving this all the way around and then up. In the center for the tongue, we're going to curve this line up and then back down. And then in the middle, we're going to curve that up and over. Let's draw in the cheeks now. So coming beside the eye, we're going to curve this line out and then in. Moving up towards the top, we'll replicate that, curving that out and then in. Moving down in the middle, we're going to curve this line down and then up. And then now let's close this off on the bottom with a nice big arch line again to close off the chin, connecting that. Let's move in towards the middle now and draw in the hair on the top. So towards the top, we're going to curve this line out and then down. To the right of this, we're going to step down. We're going to curve this line out towards the side of the page. And then now from here above, we're going to curve this line down, connecting that in the corner. And then now on both sides, we're just going to arch this line around and then down towards the cheeks to close off the top of the head. For the ear now, on the top left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up. And then from that point, we're just going to arch this line all the way around and then down on the left-hand side. For the center of the ear, we're going to curve this line back out and then down, following that pattern. And then now on the top, we're just going to draw in a curved line that arches across. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's move down and draw in the right ear now. So on the top, we're going to curve this line over and out. And then from the point here, we're just going to curve this line around and then in. In the center, to replicate that, we're going to curve this line up and then across. And then from the top, we're going to draw in a curved line that brings all the way down, leaving a small gap in the middle. Let's draw in the 4-leaf clover pendant now. So starting on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line up and down. And then from the middle, we're going to arch that around and then in. On the side now, we're going to curve this around and then in. And then one last time, we're going to curve that around and then up towards the center. Now on both sides, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. And then let's connect this together with a straight line across. For the necklace, we're going to draw in 2 curved diagonal lines that arch in towards the chin. In the top for the torso now, we're going to curve this line in, and we'll continue to extend this all the way around and over towards the right. Let's move up and draw in our left hand now. So above the cheek here, we're going to curve this line up. For the thumb, we're going to arch this line out and then down. To the left of this, let's curve this line across. And now let's move up, and we're going to draw in another curved line in the center. On the top now for the first finger, we're going to arch this line up and then down. In the middle, starting behind this line, we're going to arch this line out and then in. And then one more time, we're going to curve this line out and then in. Closing off the rest of the arm, we're going to curve this line down towards the center. And now from here, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Now let's draw on the right arm. So as we come down, we're going to curve this line around and then up. We're going to, for the first finger, curving this line around and then in towards the center. And then for the thumb, we're just going to arch this line out and then back up. Now from here, from the point, we're going to curve this line all the way around and up towards the top. For the center finger, we're going to curve this line up and then down. One last time as we come in, we're going to arch that across and in. And now from here, we're going to draw in a curved line from top to bottom. Let's draw on the right leg now. So as we come in towards the top, let's just curve this line around and then out. Moving in towards the middle, we'll replicate that, arching that down, ending this so it's on a diagonal. To the right of this now from the corner, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then on the top, we're just going to arch this line around and then down, connecting that. Closing off the ankle, we're going to draw in a curved line, arching that in. And now from here, we're going to curve this line in towards the center. Let's move over towards our left leg now, and we're going to arch this line down towards the bottom. Moving further up, curving that line out. On the side, we're going to arch this line over and down. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line. For the ankle, we're going to arch this line over. And then in the middle, we're just going to curve these lines up and across. In the center now, we're going to curve this line around and in towards the top. Now let's draw on the tail. So coming in towards the corner, we're going to curve this line around and then up. Coming down towards the bottom, we're going to curve this line around and then up just beside the page here. And now to close this off on the top, we're just going to curve this line around and then down. And then we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw Luke Meowluck, a fan-made smiling critter from Poppy Playtime. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.